Hey guys, it's Jordan with WTI. So my family and I love to go birding. We didn't realize how many birds we have right here in the state of Texas, even in our own backyard. So excited when we got the Smithsonian Handbook, Birds of Texas. Check it out. It starts by telling me how to identify birds. That was a great help in our adventure. I love this with just a silhouette page because when you're looking up at the bird flying in the sky, it helps me identify it. Let me show you what I like. This is the Carolina chickadee. We have a lot of these in our backyard. Real photos in this book, scientific terms, male and female depictions, even juvenile, because they are different than the adult. There's a map under each bird and tells you where they're found, their migration, their breeding, flight pattern, nest identification. Never had thought about it before, but it's very helpful. Also, at the bottom, you can write in the date, the time, the location, where you saw the bird. Really helps you out in your exploration and your adventures. So when you're ready to up your bird game and get out there, look at the Smithsonian Handbook, Birds of Texas, and that is my point of view.